I felt like somebody was watching me.
I
just feel like someone's watching me.
What are you talking about?
I just feel like somebody's out there.
There's somebody out there?
Seems like it.
Did you see something? Did you hear something?
I heard a little something.
Like what?
Just a small noise. No.
Hey, come on. It's nothing, all right?
Yeah.
Look, hey, tomorrow I'll put up some blinds, all right?
Okay, great. Thanks.
A few nights later.
I was in a deep sleep when I smelled smoke.
Honey, get up. Get up. I think I smell fire. Get Emily. Go get Emily.
Where's the fire?
I don't know. There was a guy in here.
Is there a fire?
I don't know.
I'm either losing my mind or there was something there.
Well, what exactly did you smell?
It was cigar smoke.
There was a guy sitting on the bed. And she goes,
It's gone.
there's no guy there now.
So there is no fire.
And I'm like, there's a guy here. I swear to God, there was a guy here.
I believe you.
I just told him that I'm gonna go to bed now because there's no fire and you can figure out what was going on.